Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You want to begin pairing right now, so first make sure the Airpods and case have charge. Low power can block pairing. Put both buds in the case and open the lid, then press and hold the rear pairing button until the LED flashes white. This forces pairing mode. On your Android, go to Settings, right arrow Connected Devices, right arrow Bluetooth, and switch it on. Once done, keep the phone near the case. Proximity speeds discovery and avoids connecting to other devices. You should see the Airpods appear in your Android's Bluetooth list. Tap the device name to start the pairing handshake. If nothing shows, tap Scan or Refresh. Android sometimes needs location permission enabled for scanning, so make sure that permission is granted. Also, turn off or move away other active Bluetooth devices. Interference or previous connections can prevent pairing. Wait for the confirmation. Android will show connected or a Bluetooth icon. If a PIN prompt appears, try 0000 or accept without input. Once connected, immediately test audio by playing media and checking that sound routes to the Airpods. In the Bluetooth device settings, you can select media and call audio explicitly. If you want one ear only, Android's audio routing and device settings handle that. If things go wrong, do one key troubleshooting step. Forget the Airpods on Android, reset the Airpods by holding the case button until amber then white, toggle Bluetooth off/on, and retry pairing. This clears stale pairings and fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.